Marcus Gray here with Greylanders. Shelter, water, critical out here in the wilderness. But what about injuries? Sure, if you get a cut or a scrape or a blister, your dime store medical kit's going to take care of that. But what about a bleed? We use knives, guns, climbing rocks in hazardous areas, driving jeeps, off-road vehicles. All these things can cause traumatic injuries. Bleeding is the number one injury that's going to take you out, and it's going to take you out quick. How do you stop the bleed? There's all kinds of IFAKs, which stands for Individual First Aid Kit. Most of them are big as this. They're bulky. Sure, they cover a lot of things. I like to be mobile. I like to be able to get to where I'm going, in and out of my vehicle. I like to be able to travel the trails quickly without being packed down with gear. That's where my IFAK comes invaluable to me. The IFAK that I carry is from the Warrior Poet, and it's called the Ankle IFAK. Developed by Warrior Poet Society, the owner John Lavelle came up with this. Wraps around your ankle. When he says you don't know it's there, it's because you don't know it's there. I've worn this every day since I've had it. This carries an entire Stop the Bleed kit. You can start out with your tourniquet right off the bat. This is a snake staff tourniquet. Look them up. These are some high-end tourniquets. Nice, compact snake staff tourniquet. Pair of trauma shears. A Sharpie. Just your standard gauze. Quick clot, emergency blanket, and some Gorilla Tape. Some latex gloves, and a GI cravat. This small, this quick to get at, right on your ankle. I'm wearing 8-inch boots. Doesn't bother me. No one notices it. I always have it with me. I go about my business, and if there is an injury or a trauma, I got it covered. Warrior Poet Society, Ankle IFAK. Good stuff. Stay in the dirt.